You're not feeling well. Hi. You want to tell hi to everybody? Tell them you're not feeling well. Hi. And Shadow. That pretty boy. Shadow's having trouble breathing. He'll give us a good cough here in a minute. Getting ready to give him his nebulizer. So I'd like to see what that's about. Oh, I know you. There's a cough. You okay, buddy? There's. Put you on your monkey. It's a good boy. Yes. Well, you guys heard Shadow cough. He's still coughing a little bit. This is Shadow. He's going to be 2 years old in March. He's a 0 male. He was at the vet today and we found out that he has pneumonia. Shadow's had a cough for a few months now. He's already gone through Metro. He still has a really bad cough. So he went back to the vet. This is his second time, and the vet said pretty much he has pneumonia. So we're going to set up a nebulizer, show you how we're going to do that, and see if we can get this guy feeling a little bit better. So if you want to look over here, basically I have a 10-gallon tank set up here that's going to be basically a chamber. This is the medicine that Dr. Kilbane made. So if you got a slight cough for Bearded Dragon, Metro works good to kill the cough. If you go past that cough or it goes for an extended amount of time, you're going to need probably some veterinary care. Kilbane made this up. We're going to put it in a nebulizer. We're going to put him in here and see if we can get him feeling better. Underneath this, I do have a heat pad because we do want to keep him warm. If you got a dragon that's coughing, you want to make sure you remove all water bowls. You want to try to get the humidity down. Got a little thermostat in here, just making sure. Heat pad feels really good. So we have a little nebulizer that we bought. Just to let you know, nebulizers now have to have a script in Indiana at least. So we're gonna get this hooked up and do a little treatment on Shadow. So we're gonna cut away for a second and we're gonna come back after we get it all set up. Well, there it is. He's in his little chamber. You can see the nebulizer blowing the medicines here on the side. He's going to get 2 treatments a day, 30 minutes, and hopefully that's going to clear up his pneumonia. So kind of recap, Shadow's got pneumonia and we took him to the vet and ended up getting him a nebulizer, gave him their steroids and all kinds of medicines in that. I made the makeshift little chamber for him to breathe it. One of his other problems though is he has protozoans. The protozoans actually made it harder for Shadow to fight off the pneumonia. Where you go, buddy? At least he's got some energy. But it made it harder for him to fight off the cough. Most people know, but Helena, my wife, we own Dr. Dragons. We also do all the fecal testing. We're approved through Bearded Dragon Obsession. It's a great group, check them out. Also Bearded Dragon Addicts, Bearded Dragon Anonymous, Bearded Dragon Nation, Bearded Dragon Academy. Those are all great groups. If you're a Bearded Dragon lover, you need to join all those groups. But if you check out fecal testing, we're the ones that do the fecal testing for that group. You're able to send in a fecal or stool sample to us to have it tested. We also have a fecal video on how to collect it and how to send it in. Bearded Dragons should have 2 fecal tests a year just to make sure that they don't have protozoans, different parasites, pinworms, and so on. So if you would, please check out that video on fecal testing, and then hopefully you guys keep in touch and we can get this guy healthy. Thank you.